Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. Today I'm going to show you how I got this flawless look using this 99J wig. It's super pretty and I love this transparent lace. If you're interested, keep on watching. Today's hair is from Nadula Hair. They sent some goodies along with the wig. Of course, a wig cap and a little scarf. They sent a 99J wig that came pre-plucked. Oh my gosh, I love this color. It's bomb, and this parting space. It comes with combs if you want to do like a glueless install. It's just everything. Hey guys, today we have this beautiful 99J wig. And so far, so good. It's super straight and sleek. I'm loving it. It's not going to be a lot of work to do this wig, which is great. It comes pre-plucked. I just plucked it a little bit off camera. As you guys can see how it's looking now. It is a little bit short towards the ends. It fits like right there. My head is big, keep that in mind. So let's start this install process. pretty. This hairline is everything. It looks so natural. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.